this video, we will simulate two series connected diodes. So, consider this as a circuit in which AC source is connected with the two parallel diodes and a series RLC branch is also connected. The amplitude peak voltage is 50 and its frequency is 60. The value of RLC branch is just resistance and having value of 50 ohm, right? And the forward voltage is 0.8 for diode 1 and 0.8 is same for diode 2, or you can make is by default. Do not make any change in the diode parameters. So when I simulate this circuit, it will work fine, but for the reverse bias, the construction of diodes is impossible having the same parameters like the breakdown voltages and its parameters designed in the factory. So for this case, we have some solution to avoid this failure. Now I will simulate this circuit for without any resistor connected in parallel with the diodes. Then we will connect some resistor in parallel with the diode. So the circle is complete. The graph 1 will show us the voltage drop across these two diodes connected in series, and the graph 2 will show us the voltage drop across this resistor R. Now simulate this one, the scope. Okay, this one is what the voltage drop across diode connected in series, and this one is the voltage across resistance R, or you can say that it is a half wave rectifier circuit. So if you check out the value, it would be 1.6. It is 1.6 value, which is the combined voltage drop across both diode. But what if both the diodes have different breakout voltages? Then in that case, we will have different in the breakdown voltages. So for that case, we connected RLC or only resistor in parallel with each diode. Pick this one, right click. Okay, double click on it, make it only resistance R, give some value. For example, I give 100 value, connect in parallel with this diode. Similarly, copy this one and paste here and connect across this diode in parallel. So what will happen if both the diode has different breakdown voltages, right? And the value of R1 and R2 is such that it is adjustable. Then we can have the design such that the voltage diode and the diode 1 and diode 2 have the same breakdown voltages. So now what the value have? It is 100. Now let's simulate this again. Okay, this is the voltage across resistance R. As it can be seen that for negative pulse it also has some voltage drop, and this is the voltage drop across diode. So that was the RLC parallel simulation, how you will avoid the failure when the two diodes are connected in parallel in series. Per series, make sure that you install a parallel capacitor with each diode such that you can get the same diode